The Virtual Exploration Center is a collection of free resources that families or educators or anybody really can use, whether it's in a virtual classroom, in their living room, in their backyard, on a walk, to continue exploring the world around them. When the pandemic started in March and the Park Authority had to close a lot of our parks and facilities for safety reasons, we started looking for ways that we could bring our parks and our knowledge and our resources to people in their homes. We tried to make this as wide as possible in terms of how the resources could be used. So you'll see everything from nature hunt and scavenger hunt bingo cards that you can print off and use with your family, to videos that you can watch to learn about some of the historical sites in Fairfax County. There are free fitness classes available on there. Those are offered in a live stream format right now, and you can log on and log into those classes and do fitness from the safety of your home. So we tried to come up with a variety of options to suit whatever you're comfortable with and whatever it is that you're hoping to achieve through the Virtual Exploration Center. We try to refresh the content on a weekly basis, so if you were there one week and you come back next, hopefully you'll see something new. There's also 3 different tabs on the website. There's a Health and Wellness tab, a Science and Nature tab, and a Culture and History tab. So there's different areas that you can explore to try to meet the different needs that people are looking for in terms of virtual resources. To learn more about the Virtual Exploration Center, you can go to the Fairfax County website and search Parks Virtual Exploration Center. And so we invite you to explore the website, and if you have any ideas of how we can develop more resources for you or for your family or your classroom, there is an email on the website that you can reach out to as well.